Alright, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're doing the first look at Xtool's TP150 TPMS tool. Full disclosure, they sent this to me. Now, a couple things about it. It is not a touchscreen. That is important to note because with everything going touchscreens, it is not a touchscreen. So don't try to touch it and do anything, because it won't do anything. It is a full-featured TPMS tool, allow you to program TPMS sensors. It comes with two TPMS sensors that are 350 megahertz and 433 megahertz. Now the main screen is pretty standard. You can go back to the last test, like if you diagnosed a car needing sensor, you can go back to recent tests and relearn or that kind of stuff. Hopefully it's not too much on the light. You got options, you can update it. It is a pretty good as far as the options available to you. China, Asia, America, and Europe. Versions, I'm currently on version 6-20, but anyway, it's important to note that the makes are based on, where they're from. So if you're looking for a Hyundai, don't go to America, go to Asia. Same with European. It's basically just Asian market, domestic market, and Europe. And then, of course, China. It's a Chinese tool, of course. It has worked just as well as my ATAC for every car I've tried it on, which is limited. Obviously, I want to put this through its paces, see how it does as far as, could it replace my ATAC? The ATAC also programs, just like the ATAC, it comes with a Obd2 connector to allow you to program sensors as well. All right, one thing I gotta praise Xtool about, I have to. This tool charges with USB-C. I'm so sick of having tools having micro, mini. Just go to USB-C, please. Just go to USB-C. Thank you. That is something I wish every company would do. Quit doing proprietary connectors, just USB-C. Make sure you're subscribed so when I do the update on how this thing is done long term, you get the full review. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatratemaster.